Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Khara Semiya or a vermicelli recipe, a good lunch box and a breakfast recipe. I'm going to show you how to make it non-sticky. So let's begin. Here I've heated a ladle full of oil, and once it's hot, I'm adding a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 green chilies, 4 medium-sized finely chopped onions, a sprig of curry leaves. Now I'm going to cook the onion until it turns soft and a little light brown. Once the onion is done, add a tablespoonful of ginger garlic paste and cook till the raw smell reduces. Now you can see the ginger garlic paste is cooked well. I'm adding 4 medium-sized tomatoes and going to cook them until they turn soft. Once the tomatoes are done, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of curd and giving it a good mix to avoid it forming any lumps. And once that's done, I'm going to cook well until I see oil released from it. Then goes into Maggi soup cubes, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon Achi biryani masala powder. Now I'm going to fry all these spices well for 30 seconds so that the raw smell reduces. Once the spices are cooked well, I'm going to add finely chopped coriander leaves and 8 cups of water. Here I'm adding 4 cups of roasted vermicelli and hence goes 8 cups of water. Then goes in salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, few drops of lemon extract. This is biryani essence, adds great taste and flavor, so I'm adding 4 drops of it. Give it a good stir and allow the water to get a boil. Once the water gets a boil, time to add the roasted semiya. Add it and stir continuously so that it avoids forming any lumps. Once mixed well, here I am removing the green chilies as I have small kids at home. And once the water reaches to the level of the semiya or the water is absorbed by the semiya, goes in a little desiccated coconut. I love adding this, it's optional. Give that a mix. And once the water is absorbed a little more, then time to cover and cook. Cook on low flame for 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, open the lid and you can see the semiya is perfectly cooked and non-sticky as well. So this is my best method of cooking vermicelli semiya. I use roasted semiya to avoid it from turning non-sticky, and I served this for breakfast and also packed it for lunch for the kids. They loved it and hope your kids and your family members love this recipe too. So do give it a try. Share your experience in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel, and yes, do not forget to give this video a like and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.